nobody knew what kung fu was. My dad always says that people thought it was something to eat, like fried rice or something like that. And now it's approaching, let's see, 55 years. It's just amazing. He is still teaching daily, and he's 85 this year. He's 85 this year. But amazingly, that's and I always say that he puts all of the younger generation to shame because it's just that discipline and dedication, and I see it firsthand, and his students see it firsthand. It's just daily. He's daily training, daily running, working out, staying sharp, and such. He always gives us such a simple philosophy that you just always have to be disciplined and consistent. When you have those two things, you will never go wrong. With my father and Bruce Lee in Seattle, what a fantastic um, collision of kung fu.
Because principally, they're all the same. And within the definition of kung fu doesn't mean fight or self-defense. I'm sure this is a tired conversation amongst your listenership. Kung fu just means hard work. And so in that regard, it's just your work ethic. It's just, your grit, your elbow grease, your midnight oil. It's, anything you put your skill to is your kung fu. And